I have the Dreo. This is a tower fan. So let me show you how to use this fan. It comes with this remote. So you can turn the fan on two ways. You can press this button here on the remote. The fan turns on. And then also on the fan itself, you have a second power button. So you press this button right here. And now the fan is off. So let me turn the fan back on. You adjust the speed with this minus sign and this plus sign. If you want the speed to be lower, you press the minus sign here. If you want the speed to be higher, you press the plus sign. And again, you can do this on the fan itself. This button right here, you press this, and then that changes the speed of the fan. This fan also oscillates. So this button right here controls the oscillation function. So you press that. And now the fan is oscillating. You press it again to stop. Also on the fan, in the top right corner here is the oscillation button. You press it. The fan is oscillating. You press it again to stop. This fan also has a timer. So on the remote is the timer button. So what you do is you press this button here, and then you're able to adjust how long you want the fan to run. You can run it for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3, 4 hours, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 8 hours. You can also do this from the fan itself. Here is the timer button on the fan. As you can hear, when I use the remote, you hear a beeping sound. If you don't want to use the beeping sound, you press this button here. And that controls the beeping noise. So you also have a mode button. On the remote, you press these 3 lines here. And it's the same on the fan itself. So the mode, I have it on now. So I have the fan on normal mode. In normal mode, the fan runs at a constant speed. I press the mode button again. And now it's on natural mode. Natural mode, the fan runs at an alternating speed. I press it again. This is on night mode. So what happens is the fan speed decreases every 30 minutes. So I press it again. Now it's on auto mode. So auto mode, the fan speed adapts to the ambient temperature. And again, you can control the mode from the top left button right here. And then again, if you want to turn the fan off, you press this button right here, and now the fan is off.